Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich, emu, cassowary. The answer is ostrich. Which bird is the heaviest living flying bird? Great bustard, swan, quarry bustard. The answer is quarry bustard. Which bird can sleep while flying? Swift, albatross, frigate bird. The answer is swift. Which bird is known as the symbol of peace? Swan, dove, crane. The answer is dove. Which bird has the strongest beak for cracking nuts? Hyacinth macaw, hornbill, toucan. The answer is hyacinth macaw.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.